Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And it's been a minute since you've seen me, right? Did you miss me? You missed me. This would be just a quick update video on what's been happening and why I haven't posted anything. So yeah, let me give you the update. So the Fiero, it's good. It's actually running really well still. I've been driving it, maintaining it. Everything's been working okay. It did develop a few things. I can't show you right now because it's underneath. Oh, by the way, the T-tops are off. I've been driving it, enjoying the warm weather, although the sun's been a little brutal lately. But yeah, I mean, still freaking cool. Love this car. The CV boots, or sorry, CV boot, one of them, on the passenger side has blown out, so I need to replace that. I'm gonna take a look at the shaft to see if I need to replace that, but it looks like just the boot gave out, old rubber, you know. But other than that, that's it. And that pesky exhaust leak has not gone away because this car refuses to fix itself. I'm just kidding. I need to get the gasket for it and take off the manifold. That's a bit more involved than I thought it was. But anyway, I'll get to that soon. Now, this is actually a little more important because I am going to plant. That wasn't here before. Anyway, what's happening to my garage space? Oh, what the hell is this? Has it been that long since I've been back here? Wait a minute, what's going on here? Anywho, getting back on track, this thing is running perfectly still. I actually developed a little bit of a transmission leak, but that's kind of always been there, and I mean that's at this point controlled rust protection, really. But I have figured out what direction I want to go with after this sort of thing that I've been going with. If you remember from my last videos, I've had this kind of set up as sort of like a 70s high schooler's car, right? Hand-me-down car with record sleeves on the ceiling, you know, for instead of the headliner, and just kind of a hodgepodge of parts that, you know, a kid would be able to afford putting into his car to keep it running in the 70s, right? So that, and I'm going to evolve this into something really cool, which I will reveal later. But yeah, so keep your eye out for this thing. I do have the differential, like I discussed in the other video about it, and I have a few more upgrades that I'm going to do to this. But yeah, so that's the update on these two. They're running fine, but I've been collecting parts that are going to serve the purpose of the concept that I'm going with. I'll explain that in a later video, but it's going to be really cool. I think you guys are going to like it. This thing, like I said, just maintenance, really. Just keeping it running and living with an 80s car. And I'll actually make a video about what it's like to live with this thing on a semi-daily basis. So that'll be dropping shortly. But anyway, to the number one update. So this weekend, obviously in the state, it's going to be Father's Day weekend on Sunday. And I've been developing, kind of the reason why I haven't been posting very many videos is because I've been developing my own sort of Father's Day special. And that is dedicated to my dad and primarily his car journey, right? From where he started all the way to where he is now. And I thought it was an interesting story. I thought it was worth sharing. And I've poured everything, the limited knowledge that I have in producing videos. It really isn't that much. But anyway, I did everything I could with it, and I think I did a pretty good job. Obviously, I'm no expert, but it's going to drop tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow. It's dropping Friday. Dropping soon. Let's just put it that way. I'm going to put a premiere, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It is a bit long. I warned you ahead of time, but, you know, it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I enjoyed making it, so yeah, let me know. Anyway, that's going to do it for this short update video. Told you it's going to be pretty short. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Seriously though, why is this plant here? What are you? What are you?